Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home because even though we have to stay inside, I still like my nails to look good. Today I'm going to show you how I clean them, how I prep them for gel polish, how I do my gel polish, which honestly the whole procedure takes me like 4 hours, a long time. So I have to like set aside a 4-hour chunk in my weekends for this, but it's totally worth it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. The first thing I do is I lay down an old magazine, and this just makes cleanup so much easier because at the end of your nail session, you can just rip out the page you used with all your nail bits and throw it out. It's also a good idea to use a magazine because you don't want any of the nail products you're using to ruin your table. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean my cuticles. A lot of people don't do this, but in my opinion, if you want your nails to look professionally done, this step should not be skipped. And to remove this, I'm just going to use a cuticle pusher and the Blue Cross cuticle remover. I use the cuticle pusher to apply a liberal amount of the liquid onto my cuticles. Then I leave it for a minute before I start pushing my cuticles back. If you do this step, make sure to be gentle because it's really easy to push a little too hard and cut yourself with the cuticle pusher. Here you can see how much dead skin was lifted, and actually every time I do this I'm shocked myself because my nails always look pretty clean to me, so I'm always really surprised about how much dead skin comes off my nail. And once I've pushed my cuticles back, I can go in with my nipper and remove the dead skin. Only remove the dead skin, and you will know if you nip live skin because it will hurt and you will bleed. So take it slow and be careful. Next up is shaping your nails. I'm gonna go for a very natural rounded shape, and actually I already shaped them a few days ago, so here I'm just filing the sides a bit to round it out a little bit more. After filing, it's time to buff the nail with the softer, finer side of a nail file. This step is done so that the polish has more texture to grab onto, and this will help to prevent your nail polish from lifting and peeling. After buffing, I'm gonna go in with a cotton square dampened with a bit of rubbing alcohol, and I'm just gonna wipe away the loose debris and any oils on my nail. Now it's finally time to start applying the gel polish, but before that, I'm gonna go ahead and wear my UV light protection gloves just to protect my hands from the lamp's UV light because UV rays can cause premature aging and skin damage. Okay, so back to polish. Today I'm using the Madame Glam Gel Polish Kit, and I really like their products, but you can use whatever gel polish kit you have or whichever one you like. First up is the base coat. Base coats are important because it will protect your nail from polish stains if you're using a dark color like a deep blue or a deep red, and they also help to extend the life of your mani, so definitely don't skip the base coat. I'm gonna go in with 2 thin coats of the base polish and cure each layer for 1 minute. Madam Glam UV LED lamps have a 30-second self-timer, so all I need to do is push the button twice before moving on to the next coat. After the base coat, it's time for the colored gel polish, and today I'm gonna use the shade My Oh My, which is a soft neutral pink, not too warm but not too cool. It's just a really good everyday pink. And like with the base coat, I'm going to do 2 coats of pink and cure between each layer. And actually, you guys can see here that 1 coat is enough and it looks completely opaque. But because I want my manicure to have a bit more volume, I'm going to apply a 2nd coat. Alright guys, we're almost done. Now we just have the top coat to go. And like the previous 2 polishes, I'm going to apply 2 coats and cure each layer for 1 minute. Now that the 2 top coat layers are cured, I'm going to wipe the sticky layer of polish off with a cotton square and some rubbing alcohol. Don't use polish remover or acetone to wipe the sticky layer away because it will dull the shine of the top coat, and you definitely don't want to do that after all the time you spent doing your nails. And the last step is to apply some oil to moisturize the cuticle area and the fingers. You can use a cuticle oil, but I just use a body oil and I'm currently using bio oil, so that's what I used here. And that's it guys, beautiful nails done right in the comfort of your own home. And the $60 you saved by doing them yourself can go towards snacks that we all need because we have to stay at home right now, right? Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I hope you're all healthy and staying safe, and I will see you guys in my next one.